Fadil Adams, Madlanga Commission spiel plek me mati. Ayonda udlali Madlanga. These tactics of you and your friends, Abu Khan, it's not gonna work. It was first your score. Now it's your laptop that is freezing now and then. And Kwanazi told you when Fadil that school is important. You're exposing yourself now. You've got a big mouth that is going to put you in trouble. Madlanga Commission, it's not ad hoc, where you were treating people like they are nothing other MPs. You were ready to go to Madlanga, Hana. All of a sudden now you are telling us about laptops that are freezing day and night. Hey, Munna. Even your people of your party, I know they are disappointed. They can't vote for someone like you. I will never. Say, did I back.